This is a sawmill, the hidden sawmill. It's been up way up the escarpment, the Illawarra area. Here's the big truck motor. It's got one blade. It's got the train track. Used to roll the wood up onto this little buggy, and they'd push the buggy along the train tracks into the big blade. You've got another setup here, little buggy, push the wood up into the blade. Here's the pulley system that used to run both blades, and it would run off this truck motor. The truck motor would turn the pulleys. There's a spare blade, a few sharpening tools, spare motor. There's the pulley system. Been here for years, obviously abandoned many years ago. It's about the fourth time or the fifth time I've been up here. It's a cool setup. Obviously the roof's collapsed. On one side would have been just a big open shed. Used to roll the wood up these beams onto the buggy. Buggy pushed the wood into the blade, spinning blade. Slice it open. It's the other end of the shed. Obviously, it's the end of the train tracks where the buggy runs on. Old sharpening blades. Check out the old blade. Massive. It's a sawmill.